In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change touch sensitivity on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off head over to settings. Then scroll down until you find accessibility, then get into touch, and that's where you can easily find haptic touch. Just tap on it. On that page you can customize touch duration at the very top. You can change it to fast or slow, and right here you can test the touch duration on that picture. Just touch and hold your finger at that picture to check how quickly it opens up. Then you can change it to slow. As you can see, the picture comes up a little bit slower. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.